Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray region is that Ethiopia's Google map is updated by Google, and now in this map many colors and many symbols are showing. The main purpose of these symbols and these colors is that the place where you see the yellow color in this map, it is showing the Ethiopian National Defense Force. And the place where you see the red color in this map, it is showing the Tigray Defense Force. And the place where you see the orange color in this map, it is showing the unconfirmed capture and ongoing clashes and unconfirmed ongoing clashes. And viewers, where you see the blue color in this map, it represents the Eritrean Defense Forces. On the other hand, the place where the flag you see in red circle is showing that the Tigray Defense Force have claimed to capture these areas. And the place where the flag you see in yellow circle is showing that the Ethiopian National Defense Force have claimed to capture these areas. And the place where you see an armed man in red circle is showing that the Tigray Defense Force have claimed their victories in these places and in these areas. And the places where you see an armed man in yellow circle is showing the Ethiopian National Defense Force have claimed their victories in these areas. And more, the place where you see an helicopter in blue circle is represent that Tigray Defense Force have claimed to shoot down an Ethiopian Mi-35 warship helicopter in this area. And the place where you see the man in blue circle is showing that Tigray Defense Force captured Eritrean Defense Force soldier in these areas. And on the other hand, the places where you see the man in yellow circle is showing that Tigray Defense Force have claimed to capture Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers in these areas. And the place where you see a plane in yellow circle, it is showing that Ethiopian National Defense Force helicopter carrying out intense air attack against Tigray Defense Force in these areas. And the place where you see a armed man in green circle, it is showing about the areas where people killed during clashes between Somalia and Afar. And over the place where you see a flag in green circle is showing that armed men are in control of almost all parts of Saddle Worida in Kamasi zone of Benishangul, Gumuz state. And more, viewers, the place where you see an armed man in green circle is showing that Oromia Liberation Army have claimed their victories in these areas. And the place where you see the danger symbol in yellow circle is showing that Oromia Liberation Army have claimed about killed Ethiopian National Defense Force commander and about intense fighting. And the place where you see a mic symbol in blue circle is showing that Oromia Liberation Army High Commander has issued a statement claiming that Eritrean troops have been deployed alongside the Ethiopian National Defense Force in many parts of Oromia. And the place where you see a tank symbol in yellow circle is showing that pictures of what seems to be an Ethiopian National Defense Force type 8G armed fighting vehicles being transported by truck to Oromia region for the rumored upcoming offensive against the Oromian Liberation Army. So viewer, this is the latest update about Ethiopia and Tigray map. So viewers, thanks for watching.